Welcome to Cash to Cart, where you can buy online on Amazon without needing a credit card. Let's go on your Amazon page and click on one product. We're going to choose one item which shows individually on your page. Once you click on that product, you're going to scroll down and look to the right-hand side where it says Add to List. You're going to create a list. Once you create that list and you give it a name, it could be Cash to Cart, it could be your own name. You click on Create and it adds the product to your list. If you want to add a second product, you go down to Add to List and you choose the list that you have just created. The second item will automatically be inserted into the list that you have just created. Let's go and choose a third product, and we're going to put that third product in the same list. We click Next to Add to List, we choose the list name and we add the product. So once you add the product, you're able to click on the list name. Whether you gave it your name or Cash to Cart, you click on the list name and you go to the three dots on the right-hand side and click Manage List. This step is very important. You have to choose public because the list has to be public in order for us to be able to see your list. Once you fill out this little form, you can add a description or any note that you wish and then you save that Manage List form. Once you save that list with all the products that you want to buy, you go back to the page of the list and you click Share. The Share button is going to give you two options, View Only, Copy Link or View and Edit and Copy Link. If you click View Only, when you copy the link and you share it with us on WhatsApp or email, we can only look at the list. If you click on View and Edit Copy Link, we can receive the link, go back to the items, and we can even edit the list if you made a mistake while choosing or if you want to add another item. Once we receive the list, we go through the list. We give you a quotation with all the charges and fees to ship directly to you within the United States or overseas. We ship to the Dominican Republic. We ship to Haiti. You choose where you want your products.